Welcome children to Class 4's Science class, Session 7, Day 2. We were studying the previous day the chapter Adaptation in Animals. We are going to do the rest of the chapter today. Adaptation for food. According to eating habits, animals can be categorized into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites, and decomposers. Herbivores. The animals that eat plants only are known as herbivores. They eat leaves, roots, fruits, bark, and grasses. They have very sharp cutting teeth and strong grinding teeth so as to break plant materials into smaller pieces and chew it properly. Examples of herbivores are deer, zebra, goat, cow, and so on. Carnivores. The animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. They have sharp teeth and claws to grasp and tear the flesh. Examples of carnivorous animals are tiger, lion, wolf, leopard, and so on. Flesh-eating birds have sharp claws to catch their prey and special hooked beaks to tear off the flesh. Examples of flesh-eating birds are eagle, hawk, owl, and so on. Omnivores. The animals that eat both plants and animals are known as omnivores. Examples of omnivores are bear, raccoon, woodpecker, crow, and so on. Scavengers. Animals that feed on dead animals and plant material are called scavengers. Examples of scavengers are vultures, hyenas, and so on. Scavengers. Animals that feed on dead animals and plant material are called scavengers. Examples of scavengers are vultures and hyenas. Parasites. Animals that derive nutrition from other living organisms are called parasites. Examples of parasites are leech, tapeworm, lice, and so on. Decomposers. Microorganisms that feed on dead and decaying organic matter and convert it into nutrients to replenish the soil are called decomposers. Adaptation for protection. Some animals move very fast with their strong legs to escape from predators. Example of such animals are frog and deer. Some animals have thick skin to protect themselves from heat. Example, elephant. Some animals are too big in size to be eaten easily by the predators. Examples are whale, elephants, and hippopotamus. Camouflage. The adaptation that allows animals to blend in with certain aspects of environment is called camouflage. Camouflage can be seen in animals like frog, owl, insects like grasshopper, stick insect, and so on. Adaptation to behavior. Hibernation. The resting state in which some animals spend the winter is called hibernation. Animals like bear, frog, and lizard hibernate. Aestivation. Slowing of activity in some animals during a hot or dry period is called aestivation. Now, animals that show aestivation are crocodile, lungfish, and so on. Migration. The periodic movement of animals from one place to another for feeding or breeding is called migration. Examples of two migratory birds are Siberian crane and Arctic tern. Animals in danger. Endangered animals. Animals that are close to disappearing from earth are called endangered animals. Examples of some endangered animals are tiger, black rhinos, and so on. Extinct animals. Animals that have already disappeared from the earth are called extinct animals. Examples of extinct animals are dinosaurs, dodo bird, saber-toothed cat. Now we have learned the different adaptation in animals. I hope you have understood the chapter well, and you will read the chapter thoroughly and prepare yourself for the next class. So bye for now. Have a good day.